Hello, welcome to DIY is my happy place. I'm Amy and today it's gonna be brilliant. I have a fast, easy way for you to create wonderful floral decorations to go in your walkway to your front door. I absolutely love this trick, and the crazy thing is the key ingredient is a diaper. What? Yes, a diaper. Sounds crazy. All we need is a diaper and some soil. Yeah, these are the two things we're gonna use to create splendid, wonderful, easy, user-friendly. You're gonna see why. Stick with me. Let's have some fun. Okay, I know this sounds crazy. I have some urn type things at my front entranceway to put flowers in. And year after year, I plant flowers in the spring, sometimes too soon before the frost is done, the flowers die. Or I'm doing pretty good, I'm watering them pretty good, and then comes July. We go on a family reunion trip, come back, flowers are dead. How many of you ever had this happen? Or you pay who knows how much to have somebody come and water your flowers for you while you're gone. Again, not ideal. If you do this little trick that I'm going to show you today, neither of those things will be a problem. And I'm going to show you why. So let me show you. It sounds crazy. I got myself a bucket from the good old dollar store. Yeah. Got me some dirt from the dollar store. Now, this is just so simple. I'm going to show you right here. All we're going to do is pour some dirt into our bucket, like so. Look how simple this is. All right, we got some nice, luscious dirt. Now I want to show you. This is crazy. Why would you use a diaper, you say? Well, I'm going to tell you why. Because in diapers, there are these little tiny gel things that when they get wet, they expand to keep diapers from leaking, right? Well, those same gel things in your diapers can work great in planters. And let me tell you why. Because it will help hold moisture for up to a week without you having to water all the time. So they're not flooding the plants, it's just slowly putting off liquid. So let me show you how to do this. First of all, we're just gonna cut the outer edges off because we don't need all of that. So we're just cutting to get into the gel part. So we want to just get right here. Look how simple this is. Then, depending on the size of your plant, you can put some little foam gel beads in there. Now, I'm gonna do about this much for my flowers. So I'm gonna cut it in two. And actually, one diaper can probably do 4 planters. So we're gonna do ours. Yeah, we're gonna do 4 plants. Okay, once you get that done, you can just peel off the diaper part, and all that's left is that little thin piece of cotton that looks like this. Now you put this cotton right on your soil like that. Pour more soil over the top, and then plant your flowers in it. And the best part is when you water it, those are going to expand, and then they will hold the water, the moisture for a lot longer. So that's a little tip. Now, come with me to my porch and I'm going to show you another little tip that I do. Some of you might be thinking to yourself, wait, winter isn't over yet. I can't do this. Or you might be saying, well, winter might be over, but it's too early. We still might get frost. I know what you're thinking, there's a solution for that. You might even live in a place where you say, I can't plant flowers and have them outside. It's too dry, too hot. Everything will die. In fact, everything I grow seems to die. I have a solution for that too. So this is kind of funny. But the first thing that I would say, go ahead and prep your soil as if you're going to plant real flowers. The thing is, you may eventually want to plant some real flowers in the future. So just have your soil ready for that. But this hack is going to be using artificial flowers. And you can do these any time of year, in any season, in any location. And I'm getting my fantastic artificial flowers straight from my favorite store, the Dollar Tree, because I like to get things for a bargain. I definitely like to change them up every year, sometimes every season. So I'll spend, $6, $10, maybe even $12 on my artificial flowers. And this was my planting season last year, and I love this. Nobody's gonna know. How are they gonna know? They're gonna know. How would they know? And I just planted myself some flowers. But this year, I'm going to do it again. And this is what my flower plants look like after the winter. And it's time to put some new flowers in. Now, the one thing that I do, I'm not going to have any problem with frost. I have the little diaper buds in there. I will plant some real flowers around my artificial flowers. Gradually work them in, work them out. And because I have the soil prepped, it's going to be able to withstand quite a bit of heat and other things with the elements. If my real flowers don't make it, I still have my artificial flowers. It's perfect. If someone's walking up to my door, they will see the real flowers around the outer edges, and it just looks pretty real. It even looks real right now. So here I am right now in the spring in Omaha. Well, it's not spring, it's March. Things are still cold and it can still frost, but this will work for now. And then when I know the frost is over, I will go ahead and add some more real flowers right into my pots. So for now, obviously, I don't need to water. Here's my solar lights that I made last year, still going strong, and my artificial flowers in my pots. There we go. How fun was that? So simple, so easy, so fast. You can do it right before you head off to work, which is where I need to go. So I'm going to see you again soon. See ya.